Okay, what's up everybody? So, trying out this new little thing for the vlog. I mounted my DSLR to the Magic Car on my bike, and it might be a little bumpy and shaky here and there, but I think the audio for the most part should be okay. I'm not using the mic because the clip broke on it, so I can't really mount it safely. But yeah, so let me start off by explaining. Oops. Yeah, it gets a little bumpy. And if you want to focus, that's just because I can't see the screen, I'm just going off the autofocus right now, but whoa. Actually, I can just hold this. Anyways, so let me start off by talking about yesterday and why there was no vlog. And that was basically because, so I had like 2 or 3 clips recorded for the vlog, so it was good to go with that. But I had a few problems that I ran into. I had some errands that I had to run that were unexpected. Fix the position right there. Yeah, I had some errands to run, and my internet was, for the past few days, my internet's just been really crappy. But, I don't know what I'm going to do about that. But that was essentially what prevented me from doing the vlog yesterday. But I'm recording right now. I've got some other clips that I'm going to throw in. A few little surprises here and there. So, yeah. Anyways, now, I remember talking last week that I was working on a video that was going to come out within 5 to 7 days, and that there may be potential production delays that will further put its release date down the line, and that ended up happening. So I can't put that out for at least another. It's not even finished. That's the thing. I can't release it for at least another week or so because it needs some finishing touches and final editing to be done. But don't worry, it's coming soon. And yeah. So anyways, I will check in a bit. Just biking and this Chinese lantern is coming in for a landing. Oh geez. Well, that doesn't happen every day. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow's back to work, and that's pretty much that. So I'll see you then. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. Excuse me. And I'll see you in the next one.